Tonight, you are going to use the edge of your mattress to perform the reverse anchor lock. One single Shaolin posture. 2 minutes of extreme isometric tension. Designed to completely rebuild your fascial web while you sleep. If you wake up every morning feeling 10 years older, if your lower back is locked and your neck feels like solid cement, it is not your mattress, and it is not your age. It is because you are spending 8 hours manufacturing a microscopic straitjacket out of your own connective tissue. Think about it. You spend your day hunched over a screen with a collapsed chest. Then, you get into bed, curl up on your side, and your core body temperature drops. As you cool down, your fascia dehydrates. It shrinks. It literally hardens into that exact collapsed shape. By morning, the cement is dry. You cannot fix that by stretching violently when you wake up. To wake up painless, you must pre-mold your structure before your temperature drops. You must force the tissue to surrender before you close your eyes. Centuries ago, the warrior monks of the Shaolin Temple understood this exact biological trap. They did not combat stiffness with mindless, bouncy stretching. They used the ancient principles of the Yi Jin Jing, the muscle and tendon change classic. They knew that fascia does not respond to quick movement. It responds to extreme, sustained tension. To remodel the human structure, you must lock it in space. By applying maximum isometric tension just minutes before your body temperature drops, we flip the biological switch. We force the rigid collagen matrix to surrender. And then, we immediately lie down to sleep. Your nervous system receives a massive signal of deep structural relaxation. Your fascia spends the next 8 hours hydrating and rebuilding in an open, decompressed state. You do not need a gym. You do not even need to leave your bedroom. The reconstruction starts right now. Sit on the very edge of your bed. Do not let your feet dangle. Plant them flat on the floor. Knees at a sharp 90-degree angle. You must root your structure to the ground before we rebuild it. Now, reach both arms straight back. Place your palms flat against the mattress, just behind your hips. Here is the critical detail. Do not point your fingers forward. Rotate your hands until your fingers point completely backward away from your body. Lock your elbows completely straight. You should instantly feel a deep, burning tension run up your forearms, through your biceps, and into your chest. Now, drive the heels of your hands down into the mattress. Hard. Use that leverage to violently project your sternum up toward the ceiling. Pinch your shoulder blades together. You are shattering the invisible straitjacket across your chest. Finally, we close the circuit with the cervical cap. Do not throw your head backward. Tuck your chin slightly toward your throat. Create a double chin. Push the crown of your head straight up to the ceiling, flattening the back of your neck. The circuit is closed. The lock is set. Hold this exact posture for 120 seconds. Do not break. The mattress is an unstable surface. Your deep fascia is working overtime to maintain balance. Your arms will shake. Your chest will feel like it is on fire. That is not muscle fatigue. That is years of trapped mechanical tension finally melting away. Breathe shallow and steady through your nose. Let the fire burn through the tissue. Time is up. Release the tension immediately. Let your arms drop. Lie flat on your back. Do you feel that massive rush of heat? That tingling sensation flooding your chest and running down to your fingertips? That is the biological switch flipping. You have just shattered the mold. Your nervous system has received the ultimate signal of mechanical safety. Tonight, as your core temperature drops, your fascia will not freeze into a collapsed, restrictive ball. Because you applied the extreme tension first, the tissue has completely surrendered. While you sleep, your fascial web will spend the next 8 hours hydrating, repairing, and rebuilding in an open, decompressed state. The fluid is returning to the joints, the spine is free. When you put your feet on the floor tomorrow morning, the cement will be gone. You will not feel 10 years older. You will feel fluid. You will feel light. But listen closely. This is not a one-time trick. This is mandatory structural hygiene. You must do this every single night, exactly 2 minutes before your head hits the pillow. Do not let the modern world dictate the shape of your skeleton. Take back control of your structure if you are ready to stop stretching blindly and start rebuilding your body from the foundation up. Hit the subscribe button right now. Maintain the tension. Stay fluid, stay zen.